Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lalu Rosari Sandi. I'm from C class. Now our presentation of sociolinguistic, and my material is English as an international language and multilingualism and code switching in education and language policy and planning. Okay, the first is defining English as an international language. As Jagnes 2006 point out, attention to the term English as international language (EIL) is relatively new to the TESOL profession. She notes that in the anniversary of the TESOL curricula, almost no attention was given to the idea of word Englishes, and that time term English as langue francaise, not yet even coined yet. By the anniversary of the journal, both terms were assigned the desired salt author on oceans. The term some word English, English as a langue French, and English as an international language are used interchangeably. It is important to distinguish their different assumption and focus. Word English is often viewed on the surface, but the first word definition, which include all varieties of English spoken around the world, including English spoken in culture, refers to the learner circle where English spoken the first language, the other circle where English is on or several official language of the country, and the expanding circle where English is regarded as foreign language but has no special status as an official language. This is definition of word English is often used interchangeably with international English global English Jagnes 2006. The second definition of word English is narrow definition that include only this period of English spoken in what culture terms. The other circle including such variant as Near English, Jamaica English, and Malaysian English. This definition of word English in the time also held native English. The third definition, with the second view but emphasizes the Fourier-centric view of English in which equal respect is given to all varieties of English. However, it is important to note that all three aspects share a view of the study of English as an investigation of the linguistic features and particular speakers typically employ. The next material is the code switching. Code switching is very useful strategy in learning English as foreign language, but both teachers and students employ to aid the learning process. The study implies the code switching employed by the student of SMP and Swiss Sindang Kelinge for the classes were recorded to is for about 20, 20 minutes each by digital voice recorder. The classroom recording were transcribed and analyzed to find out the tips how and why the student employ code switching in the classroom. The findings show the student employed three types of code switching. Dominantly, the word they followed web phrase and sentence code switching. More, Moreover, the detailed analysis of the audio recordings relevant the student switch freely from on the code another with the following a certain pattern or rules escapely in the information situation when the teacher was not around, but mostly they employed the Indonesia pattern. This reason to employ code switching is based to need to task given to text given by the teacher correctly and quickly to feel comfortable and get some help with study English suggestion was made for the junior high school English teacher to let the student employ code switching since they still at the elementary level of English proficiently, but their abilities grow up the use code switching should be discretion keyword student code switching tips of code switching patterns of the switching reason employing code switching. Introduction. Nobody is important for people to master more than of language, especially people from a country where English is not first language. The need to able speak English as a need global workflow from over the world can together and system of communication, education, and other aspect in living phenomenon of people having more than on code or language scales bigger or multilingualism. Bilinguals often switch from one code to another with talking, which called code switching. There have been for definition of the term code switching. Pablo Cristian Harson said code switching is regular the seemingly random alternation of the two languages between and twin Spanish people can assault shift the necessaries from one code to another. A person employing code switching if he or they using two different languages or more way talking other people during conversation usually without changing topics. The student on code switching the English of foreign classroom tends to describe to teacher and student first language and target language use and or make connection between code switching and student learning. It's meant that study is investigates only about the code switching between two languages to native language and the target language. However, in SMP and Negeri Trisin Dangklingi, the student often switch from one language to another using the language, namely the native language, Japanese and Lamkanese, the second another using their language, namely the native language. Language Indonesian and the foreign language English, the students switch into more to two language based on the background. The questions are what type of code switching in use the student English class, what the pattern of code switching to the student employ the English classes, what the student reason employing code switching the English class, review related theory, bilingual and multilingualism. Nowadays, it's important for people to master more the one language, especially people from a country where English not the first language. You need to be able to speak English as a need globalization where people from all over the world can together a system of communication, education, and other space living the phenomena of people having more than one code or language bilingualism or multilingual. The phenomenon of the bilingualism and multilingualism also when two groups of people using different language communicate each other constantly in such long times. Suhardi. This man is from world globalization number of bilinguals increases rapidly. Okay. Next material is the language policy and planning. The section contains a brief of file to language planning, begins by describing the origins of the term LP and some the goals of activity. There is also brief discussion about the relevance of LP to teacher term of LP to variable words involved by linguist Uriel. When in the early in New York, Warren was working in the context of immigrant language and dialects in interaction with each other and with English his famous work of finding first language with realistic second language linking anthropology and theoretical linguistic servant with observation of this between social phenomena and aspect of language and communication. He noted to he noted that speaker and bilingual communities do not keep their language and daily spread, but instead produce hybrid into language of composite. A single proficiency that blends future of the available communication from another sociolinguistic pioneer was the Norwegian American Einar Hogan, who expanded the meaning of the term LPS to the language changes Norway and West Norwegian. In American, his product influenced a core of Norwegian police to either eradicate in influence of Danish on Norwegian. Norway had been united with Denmark and was effectively under Danish control for centuries until when it was transferred to Swedish control, eventually gaining influence in as a result both written and spoken Norwegian broad pronunciation and spelling north from Danish could influence and national wants to develop an English very modern which they regard as uncontaminated. In the course of time, this popular moment of new policy produced a distinct locally skirn Norwegian made of expert Hugin accounts used to term L4 process of selecting new norms and modifying and expanding language change store. Society from radio weather and a course in the school's teacher on their major works describe Norwegian as immigrant language and gradually developed the idea communication with like naturally ecology. Help pioneer equally offer the general study language in social recent year. A new version of linguistics has become popular today. Eco-linguistics is also a political project around it. Healthy multilingual and multidialectal ecologies must be preserved to support natural biology, diversity of plants and animals. Expert on incomes are in intervention by a society of influence language. The main categories of LV were included with the addition of the term status planning in the works of the grammar language hence clause. Status planning describe how society rules and education medium of inclusion of official language to language search laws and regulation clause distinguish this from corpus planning, in which the focus directed away from social phenomena toward internal features of language reflect also the internal standpoint in linguistics. The extent of the practice and producers of communication are focused on corpus planning only has become problematical from approach to elve more interested in social context than linguistic code. In addition, new theory of communication professional study of an Indian, Indonesian, or Philippines course so Jitso Indra Dasgupta Takdir and Sibian this new and original frameworks applicable to multilingual nation building post-colonial Asia. The main technique of LP, the sociolinguistic survey, was designed originally for use the Horn of Africa to find to us Pismen, mostly later found in who speak and language to how and when Pismen. On the man's arrest discussion in LP theories has been education but for most it is live and as academic discipline. LP has tendency to see education as fight in the which polish and language is outlet or imperlet present capture discourse LP and education in more comprehensive ways, seeing teacher teaching and classroom interaction as active of language change as much as living or implementing language discussion takes by policymakers. Okay, that's all from me. Maybe I have so many mistake. I'm sorry for this. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.